I have tried a ton of tools to turn my long-form content into viral clips, but this specific platform has become my absolute go-to. If you make long-form stuff like podcasts, tutorials, or interviews, this software makes the whole repurposing thing feel incredibly simple. In this video, I will walk you through my exact workflow, show you some tricks to get better results, and share how I save hours every single week. After you log in, you are greeted by a super clean dashboard that keeps all your projects and uploads organized without any clutter. Uploading is as simple as dragging and dropping your long-form video file directly into the project window. The software starts analyzing your footage immediately, which is great because it saves me so much waiting time. Now here is where the real magic happens, as the AI automatically scans for those high-engagement, viral-ready moments. It detects emotional peaks, punchy one-liners, and big laughs, then extracts them into short, ready-to-post edits. I tested this with a long storytelling session, and it handed me 5 perfectly paced clips in just a few minutes. But it isn't just about automated cuts, because you have total control to fine-tune every single aspect of your video. You can adjust start and end points, change aspect ratios, and tweak those auto-generated captions to perfection. I personally love using the timeline scrub to shave off a second or two for better impact. Compared to other apps I have tried, this balance between AI automation and manual control is exactly why I stick with this tool. Another workflow I use constantly involves letting the AI pick the top clips and then applying a single style preset to all of them at once. The batch apply feature is a total game changer because it means I don't have to redo my text styles or branding for every single post. Next, let's talk about auto-scheduling, because posting manually is honestly the fastest way to burn out. You just set your posting frequency, and the platform handles everything across your connected social media channels. This lets me stay consistent without having to export, upload, and label every single clip by hand. The content calendar view is where this turns from a simple editor into a serious professional operations tool. You get a bird's eye view of all your scheduled posts, allowing you to drag and drop to reorganize your entire month of content. If you have ever missed a posting day because you weren't organized, this feature effectively solves that problem. You can even look at performance metrics over time to see what types of clips actually resonate with your audience. I also really appreciate the creative control you get by teaching the AI your specific taste. By marking clips as good or skip, the suggestions just get smarter and better the more you use the platform. You can choose from different style presets, like fast cuts, cinematic looks, or cozy storytelling to keep your channel vibe consistent. During my tests, the AI pulled a 25-second moment from a long episode that immediately started getting engagement. It even suggested an attention-grabbing thumbnail, which is honestly one less headache for me to deal with. I've tried other competitors that are great at specific tasks, like captions or color, but they often lack this all-in-one efficiency. Most alternatives either charge extra for every little feature or force you to do all the heavy lifting manually. This platform sits right in the sweet spot for creators who want to repurpose content without burning out. Here is a practical tip. Always upload the highest quality recording you have because clear audio helps the AI immensely. Don't be afraid to rerun the analysis if you want to prioritize different outcomes, like emotional highlights instead of funny moments. Also, try using style presets sparingly because sometimes a raw, authentic clip performs much better than something heavily filtered. A neat trick I use is pairing the tool with a chatbot to generate catchy titles and hooks for my captions. Taking a few minutes to brainstorm these hooks makes your posts feel way more deliberate and engaging. If you encounter an edge case like long silences, just give the timeline a quick manual nudge to tighten everything up. The ability to turn a single long video into multiple vertical edits for different platforms is truly a time-saving superpower. You can have different text overlays and thumbnails for every platform while working from the same source file. It is important to keep your expectations grounded because the AI is a tool to amplify your content, not replace your creative vision. The core of your success will always be the authentic reactions and the real story beats within your footage. Use these features to polish and highlight your best moments so they really stand out to your viewers. If you are a creator drowning in long recordings, this is definitely a smarter way to feed your social media. It has saved me hours of manual editing time and made the whole process of repurposing feel genuinely fun again. You can follow the link in the description to jump in and try uploading a favorite long clip to see the magic for yourself. Let me know in the comments what kind of content you want to repurpose, and I will show you how to turn it into a month of shorts. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and want more deep dives into these tools, make sure to like and subscribe for the upcoming follow-ups.